Magi Ann.
Mai blodau yn yr ardd.
The Magi reading series.
Bore da, dere fi cael gweld y lyfr.
One of Wales's favourite children's characters.
Magi Ann?
There are 4 stages to the series, starting with simple language. The books then develop gradually as the child travels along the stages.
Yn y car, ha ha ha.
The Magi Ann books are open to children of all abilities. They're so colourful and appealing. The children love just opening the books, turning the pages, getting to know Magi Ann and her friends and guessing what might happen next.
A llyfrau Magi Ann lliwgar. Dwi'n hoffi Pero. Dwi'n hoffi ffrindiau Magi Ann.
The repetitive nature of the books is key here. Vocabulary, sentence structure, language patterns, they're repeated consistently throughout the programme, and that then develops the children's verbal skills, which is of course the first step in language development. The verbal skills first, which then goes on to reading and writing.
Mae Teddy ar y bwrdd.
Da iawn!
With questions to spark discussions and ensure plenty of fun.
Sut wyt ti'n chwarae pêl?
Fel tîm Cymru.
And a whole host of materials on the supporting apps. For each step, there is a record of vocabulary that appears in the books, along with English translations.
Many of our pupils here do come from non-Welsh speaking homes, and parents want nothing more than to help their children. So this gives the parents reassurance that they can help and support their children through their journey of Welsh medium education.
Mae llyfrau Magi Ann yn ddoniol a cwbl.
Dyma'r bêl! Hwrê!
In your local bookstores and online, Magi a friend on the Children of Wales's reading journey.